GPM was founded in 1978. GPM Group's business scope includes semiconductor processing and inspection equipment, display processing equipment, and intelligent manufacturing integration services. GPM provides high-quality products and services to help customers enhance core competitive advantages. With the rise of AIoT, 5G, micro, mini LED technologies and applications, semiconductors towards heterogeneous integration trend of development. Based on years of experience in the field of electronic precision machinery equipment, GPM provides intelligent manufacturing solutions of advanced packaging for semiconductor industry, from fully intelligent composite material grinding technology to solutions for substrate and package strip grinding planarization. Wafer inspection equipment can automatically detect and classify defects in wafer appearance, and the white light interferometer can deliver surface texture and thin film measurement with sub-nanometer precision and accuracy as well. We even use the core technologies of in-house software and hardware to build a smart logistics system to help Taiwan's manufacturing industry upgrade to Industry 4.0. Integrity is the core culture and value of GPM. We are not only committed to providing the best quality equipment for our customers, but also actively cooperate with international top-ranking manufacturers and domestic and foreign cutting-edge research institutes to surpass ourselves, continue to innovate, and provide the best total solution to create win-win situations with customers. In addition to providing premium technologies and products, we also hope to strike a balance between development and sustainability. On the way forward for ESG sustainability, GPM will grow and progress in steps with the world.